Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to change HP Laser MFP 135 printer toner. So stay tuned. We remove from packet. I took this video just 100. That's why I feel problem. So watching this video with consideration. This is toner, so most of the user use it wrong way. They didn't remove protection cover, that's why I feel problem. You see, this is protection problem, Curtis toner protection problem. So we remove first before installation. Okay, this is protection, we must remove before installation. Most of the user did it wrong way, that's why they failed problem. Now we remove all toner from printer this way. Just pressure down and turn it and install new toner. Okay, this way, just push down, it will set automatically and lock. Okay, the mission is complete. You just take 2 minutes for warm up. So wait maximum 2 minutes and it will be ready automatically. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you benefited from this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe for future video. Thank you.